Yeah, so I sold about 2/3 of the Dell position. I love Dell, by the way. If Dell gets down into the low 100s, I will add back to that. I think Salesforce is Uber in the 60s. And that if you go back and listen to the earnings call, their actually next earnings is September 3rd, so they're even later than NVIDIA and Dell. They had great earnings, and Mark Benioff has been very clear. Let's focus on free cash flow. Let's focus on margins. Let's focus on growth. And so financial stability and also growth. And so I think what they're doing, I think the market is completely missing this nonsense that some other nebulous AI is going to come in and take over. What Salesforce is doing just is absurd. Salesforce is using AI. Their acquisition of Informatica, I think, is going to be great. It's going to be accretive the year after next. And so I just think this is an unloved stock that's getting caught into the hedge fund shorts of shorting these software companies. And this is one, to me, and it's been up the past few days, that it can easily trade up, 15 to 20% and after earnings, because I just think the market is missing this name, and it's an Uber in the 60s.
All right. Also about Dell, big infrastructure player. You're trimming that position. What's the motive behind that trim?
Yeah. So you got to know with Dell, Dell's growth engine is their infrastructure services group, and inside of that, that's where they are like the key tech stack within the AI build. I think they're taking really strong market share from SMCI, but because it's just part of the company, they still have a big consumer company with the computers. I think that as the stock got into the high 130s, I just felt it was going to be at a top. And so I think a temporary top. But once again, they're buying back shares. I'm a huge fan of Michael Dell. I'll definitely looking to get back in if I get an opportunity into the low 100s.